Namaste, my name is Sky from Sunfood Yoga, and today I'm going to show you how to make oat milk. So this is really great plant milk. It's a very good alternative to dairy milk, and it's much better than buying it from the package because it's much cheaper, it's much healthier, it's much tastier. So yeah, let's do it. So I got half a cup of organic oats. I'm gonna put that in the blender, and then in here I have 3 cups of filtered water. So you can add that inside. Alright. And I'm using stevia, so this is exact measurement, like same as 1 teaspoon of like a regular brown sugar or whatever you like to use as a sweetener. You can also use 1 date. So yeah, put this inside. Alright, then we put on the lid and we're gonna blend it until it's completely mixed. So, milking the oats. So, if you look up close up, it should have like all this foam and mixed well and look like milk. Okay, so then the next step. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pour it through a sieve. Now you can also use a nut milk bag, but actually for the oat milk, a very good strainer, sieve is going to be very good. Okay, so we're going to put that on here, and then ta-da! Alright, well, there you got it. Fresh oat milk. High in protein, high in calcium, super many nutrients, super healthy, go vegan. Yeah, that's delicious.